Hello students, my name is Professor Supriya Kulkarni from KK Senior College, Tandori. Today we are going to study proofs in theoretical computer science. Firstly, we will discuss about what is proof. A proof involves a statement of from the P to Z. There are several methods for establishing a proof of statement. Some of them are: first is direct proof, second proof by contradiction, and third mathematical induction. Now we will discuss direct proof. If we have to prove that P gives Q, then a direct proof assumes P is true and uses this to show that Q is true. Example: prove for any integer a and b. If a and b are odd, then a into b is odd. Now we will discuss about solution. Any odd integer x can be written as 2y plus 1, where y is an integer. Therefore, there exists an integer x such that a is equal to 2x plus 1. Similarly, there exists an integer y such that b is equal to 2y plus 1. Now, multiplication of a and b. A into b is equal to 2x plus 1 in second bracket 2y plus 1. Now get multiplied. 2 into 2y, 2x into 2y, that means 4xy plus 2x into 1 is equal to 2x plus 2y into 1 is equal to 2y plus 1. Now we will get solution. 2 into bracket 2xy plus x plus y bracket complete plus 1. The term 2 of 2xy plus x plus y represent an integer. When 1 is added to an even integer, it becomes odd. This is a complete the proof, hence the proof. Now we will discuss about proof by contradiction. If we have to prove that P gives Q, then the method of contradiction assumes that P does not imply Q and try to derive some contradiction. Now we will discuss example of proof by contradiction. Example is: prove for any integer a and b. If a and b are odd, then ab is odd. That means a into b is odd. Solution is first we will discuss about contradiction step. AB is even. We can express a comma b and AB is given below. Now let a is equal to 2x plus 1. In this equation a is odd. Now b is equal to 2y plus 1. In this equation similarly b is odd. Then a into b. A into b, let us assume 2z. That means a and b is even because of 2. Now a into b means 2x plus 1 into bracket into second bracket 2y plus 1. That means a into b. Value of a is 2x plus 1 and value of b is 2y plus 1 and is equal to 2z. Now in left hand side we are multiplying 2x into 2y, that means 4xy plus 2x into 1, that means 2x. Next 1 into 2y, that means 2y plus 1 into 1, that means 1. And in right hand side 2z. Now common factor is 2 into bracket 2xy plus x plus y plus 1 is as it is, and right hand side 2z. Now 2 is common factor, therefore z is equal to 2xy plus x plus y is plus 1 half, that means 1 divided by 2 of right hand side. Then x is not an integer and hence it is a contradiction, hence the proved. Now we will discuss third type, that means mathematical induction. Proof by mathematical induction consists of three basic steps. If statement P are to be proven, then show that P is true for some particular integer n0, this is called as basic. Assume p is true for some particular integer k is greater than or equal to n0, then this is called as induction hypothesis. And prove p is true for n is equal to k plus 1, then this is called as induction steps. There are three steps. First is basic, second is induction hypothesis, and third step is induction step. Now we will discuss example of mathematical induction. Example is, show for any n is greater than or equal to 0, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to n square plus n divided by 2. Then we are getting solution in three steps. First step is basic step, second is induction hypothesis, and third is induction step. In first basic step, for n is equal to 0, LHS is equal to 0 and RHS is equal to 0 square plus 0 divided by 2. Now we will get RHS as n square plus n. Therefore we will get 0 square plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to, solution is obviously 0. Hence the result is true for n is equal to 0. We prove first step of basic step of mathematical induction. Now we will discuss about second step. In second step, we assume that we give statement if true for n is equal to k. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is equal to k square plus k divided by 2. In this step, we replace n by k. Next, third step is induction step. We have to prove that the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Now we will check the condition up to k plus 1. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1. In right hand side, k square plus k divided by 2 plus k plus 1. This is our right hand side because we can replace k by the k plus 1. Now k square plus k plus 2k plus 2 divided by 2. Now we can factoring k plus 1 square plus k plus 1 divided by 2. Hence the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Therefore it is always true. This is the three steps of solution: basic step, induction step, and hypothesis step. This is a proof. Thank you so much, student, for watching this video.